Hello everybody, it's me again. You can see my Husaberg open, all the rear part dismantled, and there you can see the design. The subchassis has three parts: the top one, the left one, and the right one, which is completely similar. You see the right one. Then what happens when the rider puts pressure on this area, because these two parts are a little forward design, the tendency is to open both, one to the right and the other to the left side. Then the filter box, which is all that, has not any design to support this opening, because it's just put on between. You see the filter box is just on between, not designed to support this opening. Then the solution suggested by Husqvarna is to put screws on that area to fix the filter box to the left mounting. But for me this is not a good idea, because this left mounting and the right one also will continue to open with the use because of the design. The tendency is to open. If you press here and it's fixed on the bottom, the tendency is to open. Then for me is a better solution, which is let's say forever, is to fix with 5 millimeters stainless steel piece the left side with the right side mountings, both subchassis. In that way the tendency to open is completely controlled. You see the screws, okay? Inside is covered with the plastic part, but doesn't touch that part. Touch nothing, no the filter, no the cable, and that is the solution for, let's say, forever. When you put the plastic here, here, that is covered, doesn't touch, you see nothing on the bottom, and the same on the right. It's very important to make the holes on this position, just for this part passes below the battery container. You see? Now this is very strong. That means that it is convenient to put washers, very wide ones. Okay? And that's all. Thank you everybody. Bye.